Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the crazy watercolor effects for your projects that you can directly use for free. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser in your device, and here you need to search for fffuel.co. You can see the right spelling over there. Once you do it, just simply hit enter and you can see a page will open right in front of you, and here you need to find this www watercolor. Just simply hit over there and you can see multiple watercolor backgrounds have been generated for you. Now you can customize them according to your need, and once you're satisfied with the changes, you can directly either download the jpg file for the same, or the webp or the png, and once you're done with the changes, you can directly use it over your projects, and these all are free to use. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.